Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best content to help you grow your business. Today, we have an exciting book to share with you, that's all about network marketing. If you're someone who's looking to build a successful network marketing business, then this book is a must-read for you. In the book, GoPro, 7 Steps to Becoming a Network Marketing Professional, you'll learn the best practices and strategies that successful network marketers use to grow their businesses. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the industry for a while, this book is packed with valuable insights that you won't want to miss. GoPro, 7 Steps to Becoming a Network Marketing Professional, by Worre is a comprehensive guide for anyone looking to build a successful network marketing business. Written by one of the industry's top leaders and trainers, this book provides a roadmap for success, using a step-by-step approach that has been proven to work. Through its pages, readers will learn the key skills and techniques necessary to turn their passion into a thriving business and to achieve financial freedom. Whether you are just starting out in network marketing or looking to take your business to the next level, GoPro is a must-read for anyone looking to achieve success in this exciting and dynamic industry. Step 1 of the 7 Steps to Becoming a Successful Network Marketer, according to the book, GoPro, by Worre, is building a belief system. This step involves developing a strong, unwavering belief in the network marketing business model, the products and services offered, and oneself as a successful network marketer. This belief system helps individuals overcome objections, overcome the fear of rejection, and maintain motivation in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Building a belief system requires continuous personal development through education, training, and exposure to successful network marketers. This step is crucial for long-term success in network marketing as it lays the foundation for all future actions and decisions. Step 2 of the 7 Steps to Becoming a Successful Network Marketer, according to the book, GoPro, by Worre, is finding prospects. This step involves identifying and locating potential customers or partners for the network marketing business. The focus should be on finding individuals who are open to learning about the business opportunity, the products and services offered, and who are motivated to improve their financial situation. Worre recommends using various methods such as social media, cold calling, and networking events to find prospects. It's important to remember that finding prospects is a continuous process and should be a top priority for all network marketers. By consistently finding and engaging with new prospects, network marketers can expand their network, build their business, and increase their income. Step 3 of the 7 Steps to Becoming a Successful Network Marketer, according to the book, GoPro, by Worre, is inviting. This step involves introducing prospects to the network marketing business opportunity, products, and services. The goal of this step is to spark the interest of prospects and get them to agree to take a closer look at what is being offered. This can be done in person, over the phone, or through virtual means such as video calls. It's essential to approach inviting with a positive and confident attitude and to communicate the benefits of the opportunity in a clear and concise manner. The invitation should be an opportunity for prospects to ask questions and gather information, not a hard sell. If done correctly, inviting can be the first step in building a relationship with prospects and establishing trust. Are you looking for a solid network marketing opportunity to increase your income? Check the pinned comment and description for the best network marketing business of 2023 and beyond. Step 4 of the 7 Steps to Becoming a Successful Network Marketer, according to the book, GoPro, by Worre, is presenting. This step involves sharing information about the network marketing business opportunity, products, and services in a clear, concise, and compelling way. The goal of this step is to educate prospects about what the business offers and provide them with enough information to make an informed decision about whether or not to join. This can be done through one-on-one meetings, presentations, or the use of multimedia materials. It's important to tailor the presentation to the specific interests and needs of each prospect and to address any objections or concerns they may have. A well-executed presentation can create excitement and enthusiasm for the opportunity and lead to a successful close. Step 5 of the 7 Steps to Becoming a Successful Network Marketer, according to the book, GoPro, by Worre, is following up. This step involves staying in touch with prospects after the initial presentation and maintaining the relationship. The goal of this step is to keep the opportunity in the forefront of prospects' minds, address any questions or concerns they may have, and move them closer to making a decision. Following up can be done through phone calls, emails, text messages, or in-person visits. It's important to be persistent and patient and to respect the decision-making process of each prospect. Consistent, effective follow-up can increase the chances of closing a sale and building a successful network. Step 6 of the 7 steps to becoming a successful network marketer, according to the book, GoPro, by Worre, is closing. This step involves getting the prospect to make a decision about joining the network marketing business. The goal of this step is to determine if the prospect is ready to become a customer or business partner and to move forward with the opportunity. Closing should be approached in a natural, conversational manner and not as a hard sell. It's important to listen to the prospect's needs and concerns, and to address any objections they may have. By effectively closing a sale, network marketers can bring new customers and business partners into the business and expand their network. Step 7 of the 7 steps to becoming a successful network marketer, according to the book, GoPro, by Worre, is duplicating. This step involves teaching new network marketers how to effectively use the 7 steps to build their own successful business. The goal of this step is to create a self-sustaining network marketing organization by training and supporting new team members. This can be done through mentorship, training sessions, and the sharing of best practices. It's important to emphasize the importance of personal development and continued learning, and to create a supportive and inclusive environment. By successfully duplicating the 7 steps, network marketers can create a large and thriving network, increase their income, and achieve long-term success in network marketing. In conclusion, GoPro, 7 Steps to Becoming a Network Marketing Professional, by Worre is a valuable resource for anyone looking to build a successful network marketing business. The 7 steps outlined in the book provide a clear and actionable plan for success and are supported by real-world examples and case studies. Worre's expertise and experience in the industry make him the perfect guide for anyone looking to take their network marketing career to the next level. This book is not just a collection of theories and concepts, but a practical and comprehensive guide that can help you achieve your goals and create a successful and sustainable network marketing business. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced network marketer, GoPro is a must-read for anyone looking to achieve success and make their network marketing dreams a reality. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Check the pinned comment for the best network marketing business to get involved in for 2023 and beyond.